Can you see her?
No. Excuse me, are you Azma's parents? Yes, sir. Major KP Singh, Commander-in-Chief. I am Azma's mentor.
Oh, hello sir. Where is our daughter? Is she okay?
She is perfectly alright. She has successfully completed her training. She is the best of the two. There she is, Wing Commander, Azma Malik.
Why are you standing like this? Return to your post.
Sir, I refuse to use these languages. They are called big cow and big fat. It is against my religion.
Nonsense. You are a soldier of the company. Your duty is to follow the orders.
I am a soldier, yes, but I am also son of this soil. I can betray my fight or my country.
Pandey, this is a rebellion. You will be punished for this.
Call me what you want, but this is the beginning of freedom. The British rule must end. But to unite to give voice to India's aspiration. I might be a Briton, but I believe in justice. India deserves to speak for itself.
Mr. Hume, we thank you for supporting this cause.
ഇന്ത്യയെ തുടർന്ന് ഇന്ത്യൻ മണ്ണിലുടലെടുത്ത ഹിന്ദു മുസ്ലിം ഐക്യം തകർക്കലാകാൻ ലക്ഷ്യം വെച്ചുകൊണ്ട് ഇന്ത്യയിൽ ബ്രിട്ടീഷ് വൈസ്രോയിയായിരുന്ന കഴ്സൺ പ്രഭു 1905 ഒക്ടോബർ 16 നടപ്പിലാക്കാൻ ശ്രമിച്ച ഒന്നായിരുന്നു ബംഗാൾ വിഭജനം. Why is Bengal partition?
Bengal is too large to manage. For better administration, we shall divide it into two parts, East Bengal and West Bengal.
Your cousin, this is not for administration. You are trying to divide Hindus and Muslims. This is divided zone policy.
I don't care about your protest. This decision is final. The election will happen.
Brothers and sisters, let us like all British goods. Let us clear out British roads and support Indian industries.
I never expected such resistance from the Indian people.
This was the beginning of India's journey to freedom.
ഇന്ത്യ ലോകത്തോട് വിളിച്ചു പറഞ്ഞ സമരങ്ങളാണ്. 1920 മഹാത്മാഗാന്ധിയുടെ നേതൃത്വത്തിൽ ഉടലെടുത്ത നിസ്സാരണ പ്രസ്ഥാനം ഇന്ത്യൻ ജനതയുടെ ആത്മാവിന്റെ ഉണർവായിരുന്നു.